Today, I'm going to show you how to void a check in QuickBooks Online. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. At the top of the screen, click the search bar. Then select Advanced Transaction Search. In the search filters, change the transaction type to check. This helps narrow the results so you only see check transactions. If needed, you can also filter by date, payee, amount, or memo to find the correct check faster. Once you find the check you want to void, click it to open the transaction. Review the check details carefully. Make sure the payee, check number, date, and amount match the check you want to void. At the bottom of the check window, click More. Then select Void. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm the action. If everything looks correct, confirm that you want to void the check. The check will remain in your records, but the amount will be changed to 0. This helps keep your audit trail clear without removing the transaction completely. If the check was already reconciled, be careful before voiding it because it may affect your reconciliation. Once the check is voided, you can review it in your register or reports if needed. And that's how to void a check in QuickBooks Online in 2026.